So now we have to calculate the speed of the object's motion that is shown by this distance time graph. So we've got to show all of our working. And how do we work out the speed from a distance time graph? Well, we've got to calculate or find the gradient. That's the slope, or how steep this line is. How do we work out the gradient? Well, that is done by drawing a triangle and working out the change in the y, the vertical change of one side of the triangle, divided by the horizontal or the x change. So let's do this calculation now for this graph. First of all, we've got to draw a triangle, and we should draw the biggest triangle we can. Always good practice in physics to draw the biggest triangle you can. I don't have a ruler tool on this package, so excuse the slightly wobbly line. And there's our triangle. Starting there, going all the way up to here, and to there. It's a right-angled triangle. So now we've got to work out the gradient. So let's do that. The gradient, let's choose a lighter color. The gradient equals the change in y. Now I've used a little shorthand here. This delta sign, triangle, actually means change in, and you'll see me use that in other parts of the course. So the change in y divided by the change in x, and let's actually work those out now. So the change in y, that's the distance part here, is from 0 to 50. From 0 to 50. So that's easy, that's 50, going from there to there. And the change in x, that's the time part, is going from 0 to 10. So that's pretty easy, that's 10 seconds. So this is meters, this is seconds. And so going back now to our calculations, we've got a change of 50 meters divided by 10 seconds, which is 5. And we're using seconds and meters, so we're going to have meters per second because the gradient of a distance time graph is speed. So there we are. There's our calculation.